Hey everyone, here's an update on the Land Cruiser not starting. I get a crank but a no start, and I think what the problem is here is air in the fuel line. I contacted a couple of like Land Cruiser specialists, and they're saying the first thing to check is fuel in the airline. I let this thing go dry almost dry a couple times, and maybe that might be the cause of it. This is a pretty cool design. All we have to do is loosen the bleeder valve here, and then there's a pump right here. We just have to unscrew that and literally prime it until we get fuel coming out of here. So stand by for that. So, and a little history and knowledge on this. This is the HJ60 engine. It is a 6-cylinder diesel that has a aftermarket turbo on it. So this one, the HJ60 did not come as a turbo diesel. The HJ61 did. And 5-speed. This one's a 5-speed with factory lockers, and I think the 61s were I've seen them with automatics, but I could be mistaken that they're 5-speed too. But anyways, so yeah, my turbo diesel it's an aftermarket diesel, or a turbo, and yeah, it's a pretty slick ride. So there's not a whole lot of manuals on the diesel version of this, and I do have a manual that it's kind of a vague one, but the information that I'm getting this from is from a guy in I think he's in Australia, and this is what he did. So I'm just kind of following his cue here. So there probably isn't a lot of 2H diesel engines in North America, but this is the steps to prime the engine when it goes dry. Open the bleeder valves like I just showed you. Turn the pump counterclockwise until it springs open. Then gently start pumping until you see diesel flowing out the nozzle. I'm not sure if you could see, but there was a lot of air in the system. Once there's a steady flow, you know the air has been purged. Then tighten that son of a gun up and let's make lemonade. Oh yeah, and don't forget to tighten down your primer pump. And that definitely gets a Vault Explorers. All right. Okay, so after bleeding the fuel line with that manual pump, which I think is the coolest freaking thing, and I put a little seafoam conditioner in it too, because this whole thing, I'm pretty sure it stemmed from, I ran this thing really low 2 times in a row, and I'm pretty sure that's the cause of it. But the output, the outcome, and the punchline is she's back, baby. She's back running and running strong. All right.